Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's all by Donna. And today I'm going to be testing out this Libman Palm Brush. It's something that you use in the kitchen to clean your dishes with, I guess. And I don't know, I thought it might be something cute to try and paint with today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer this little cup in here, and then I'm going to put this top on, and then I'm going to squeeze it and see what we can make with that. So I have a few colors here. I have Glorious Gold by Deco Art, and into that Glorious Gold, to show you how I have that, I put a little bit of this Liquitex Iridescent Bright Gold just to brighten it up a bit. I have which looks very purpley to me, and I mixed in a little Quidacridone Blue Violet, Liquitex Soft Body. Show that to you right here. Next color I have is Deco Art Metallics, and that's in Emerald. And this says Brilliant, Brilliant Sheen. And that's a beautiful color that we have here. I have some leftover colors. I have some Master's Touch Chrome Oxide Green with some 24 karat gold. I have some Quidacridone Azo Gold by Golden. I have some Pebeo Yellow Green Yellow Iridescent. And there's not too much left of this, just a little bit. I have a little Artist Loft Metallic White. And then I have a little bit of Blickryick Copper. I thought it'd be nice just to lay that in there, and I'm going to use the base. I just have an Artist Loft here, Artist Loft Black, and that's just mixed with Floetrol. I just overstepped myself there. Probably should have put a little more white in between. I'm going to like a little rain pour here. I don't think you can see how gorgeous these colors are in here. They are stunning. Look how shiny that is. Gorgeous. I'm done. I am not touching another setting. So I'm happy with this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll take in for a close-up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. This way, when I do a video, you will be you'll be notified, and you won't miss anything. I'd love to hear what you think. So please leave a comment below. And signing off today, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. Have a great night. Great holiday. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye now. Be safe out there.